Hello everyone and welcome to class of Fundamentals of Ethernet LANs. We will start with the LANs from the very first step. So Ethernet refers to the family of LAN standards, local area network standards that define the physical and data link layers on the world's most popular wired LAN technology. For that we have typical SOHO LANs. It is small office, home office. And Ethernet uses Ethernet cables which is in reference to any cable that conforms to any several standards. The LAN needs or uses these Ethernet cables to connect different devices or nodes to the switch Ethernet ports. The LAN needs a device which is called as Ethernet LAN switch, which may provide many physical ports into which cable can be connected. Here we can see a simple diagram. Switch and router printer PCs are connected to internet. Now switch and router are separate devices. Many SOHO Ethernet LANs today combines the router and a switch into a single device. This typical SOHO LAN today also supports the wireless LAN connections. We can build a single LAN that includes both Ethernet LAN technology as well as the wireless LAN technology. Wireless LAN, it relies on another networking device which is wireless access point. If the network uses an access point, that is a separate physical device, the access points need a single Ethernet link to connect this access point to the Ethernet LAN. SOHO network uses wireless routers that do all the functions. We don't require separate devices for that. Typical enterprise LANs. Enterprise networks have similar needs compared to SOHO network but on a larger scale. Enterprise Ethernet LANs begin with the LAN switches, which is installed in a wiring closet behind a locked door on each floor of the building. Most enterprises also supports wireless LANs in the same space to allow people to roam around and still work and support a growing number of devices that do not have Ethernet LAN interface. Thank you.